Hello students, how are you? Welcome to my this session. Today I am going to discuss the chapter 5 Princess September. So without wasting the time, let's start today's video. This video will be available on my YouTube channel. Watch full video, like, comment and subscribe if you like this chapter. So let's start the chapter 5 Princess September. Princess September, like each one of her numerous sisters, receives the gift of a parrot in a golden cage on her father's birthday. The parrot dies, and by chance, a singing bird comes in its place. The princess shows off her pet to the sisters who advise her to put in a cage. Means in this chapter there was a king and he had 9 daughters. The queen of the means the queen said that it is very difficult for me to learn all the daughters name. So the queen said that it is very difficult for me to learn all the daughters names. So the king decided to put their names on the months of the year. So he just named all those daughters as January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August and September. So eldest daughter was the January and the smallest daughter was September. So what happened in this chapter? One day means on his birthday on means one day the king on his birthday the king used to give the presents to his daughters on his birthday. So one day what happened? Nothing was ready at that time. So he gives something different gift to the daughters. So let's see what he has given. So without wasting the time, let's see the explanation. Princess September, like each one of her numerous sisters, receives the gift of a parrot in a golden cage on her father's birthday. It means the king gave the gift to all of her daughter one by one on his birthday, and this year he gave some different gift. He gave the gift of a parrot in a golden cage to all of the sisters. What happened? The parrot dies, and by chance, a singing bird comes in its place. What happens that the parrot of the Princess September dies, and she was very sad. But suddenly, once a singing bird came to her palace, and once again she was revived. Once again, she was very cheerful to listen that bird song. The princess shows off her pet to the sisters who advise her to put in a cage. Princess September shows that pet to all the other sisters of to all the other sisters, but the other sister advised her that you should put this bird in a cage if you want to keep it for a long time. Otherwise, it will fly away from here, and once again uh, you will lose this bird also. So let's see what happens in the chapter. The king and queen of Siam had many daughters. Here, Siam is the old name of Thailand. Which land? Thailand. Thailand or Scotland? Tell me. I have taught in the previous chapter, means in the previous class. Siam is the name of Thailand. The king and queen, voice is audible to everyone? Please reply.
Sir,
Yes,
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 your
Okay.
sir.
voice is audible.
Okay, good. The king and queen of Siam had many daughters, and the queen said that it confused her to have to remember so many names. Once a queen and a king and a queen used to rule over a kingdom, and the king and the queen had so many daughters. So one day the queen said to the king that I am very confused to learn all the daughters' name. So one day the king decided to call them January, February, March, So of course in Siamese still they came to the youngest whom he called September. So the king decided to put the name of her daughters on the name of the months: January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, and September. So overall, January to September, the king had 9 daughters. Eldest was January, and the smallest was September. So see the next paragraph. The king of Siam had a peculiar habit. It means the king had a special habit, a peculiar habit. Instead of receiving gifts on his birthday, he gave them. Means the king didn't receive the gifts on his birthday. Generally, what happens when there is the birthday of someone's, we just give the gift to the birthday boy or the birthday girl. But here, the king is saying that he had a peculiar habit. He don't receive the gifts on his birthday. Instead, receiving, he used to give the gifts to the other one. So one year, on his birthday, not having anything else handy, he gave each of his daughters a green parrot in a golden cage. Means what happened? What happened on one of his birthday? Nothing was ready, something handy which he can give them easily. So he decided to give them some different gift. He gave each of his daughters a green parrot in a golden cage. Means the king gave the gift of a parrot in a golden case to all of her daughters from January to September. The princes were very proud of their parrots and they spent an hour every day in teaching them to talk. After getting the parrot from the king, the princes were so much excited, and the princess used to share some time with those parrots, and they used to teach to the parrot how to talk to others. Presently, all the parrots could say, God save the king, and some of them could say, Pretty Polly, in no less than 7 Oriental languages. Means, after teaching so many times, now the parrots were easily able to speak, and the parrots used to say, God save the king, means Ishwar, Raja ki raksha kare. And some of them could say pretty Polly in no less than 7 Oriental languages. And some of them used to say pretty Polly, and they can speak it in 7 languages, different languages. Now see some word meanings. Siam is the now Thailand. Siam is the old name of Thailand. Okay. Handy means immediately available. Handy which is available immediately. Oriental means of the east. The Orient means countries of the Far East. Its opposite is the Occident. Now come to the page number next. Now see here in the picture, the king is just distributing a golden case to all of her daughter, having a parrot inside the golden cage. So in this picture, he is just distributing the gift to all of her daughters, and the daughters are so much excited to receive that gift. Now see paragraph number second. But one day when Princess September went to say good morning to her parrot, she found it lying dead at the bottom of its golden case. What happened one day when Princess September went to say good morning to her parrot? She found that the parrot was lying dead at the bottom of its golden cage. So seeing this, she became very sad. She burst into a flood of tears. It means she wept so much that it was like a flood of tears. Flood means बाढ़. जैसे आंसुओं की एक बाढ़ सी आ गई. She burst into a flood of tears, and nothing that her maids of honor could say comforted her. And even her maids means नौकरानियां, even her maids could not could not comforted her because she was so much sad due to the death of her parrot, because the parrot was very dear to her. She cried so much that the maids of honor, not knowing what to do, it means Princess September was weeping bitterly. She was so much weeping that the maids were also not able how to comforted her. So the maids went to the queen and told all the matter what happened. The queen said it was stuff and nonsense, and the child had better go to bed without any supper. Queen thought, what a nonsense thing. On the death of a parrot, she is just crying. Why she is weeping like this? Only one parrot is dead there. We will provide him another. We will provide her another parrot. Why is she making such kind of drama? So the queen ordered that today Princess September will not be given food. Supper means whatever we eat at dinner. Supper means रात का भोजन, dinner. So the queen ordered that today she will not be given food for making such kind of nonsense drama, and just tell her to go to bed. जाओ और उससे कह दो अपने बिस्तर पे आराम करे जाके. The maids of honor wanted to go to a party, so they put Princess September to bed as quickly as they could and left her by herself. Those who were the maids of Princess September on that day, they were also in hurry because they wanted to join one of the party. So as soon as they could complete their work, they completed and they left the Princess September with his situation, with her problem. And while she lay in her bed, crying still even though she felt rather hungry, she saw a little bird hop into her room. She wiped her tears and sat up. It means while she lay in her bed crying still even though she felt rather hungry. Actually, Princess September wept so much and she was not given the food on that day also due to the order of the queen, because she wept too much that in the eyes of queen it was only a nonsense drama. That's why she ordered like this. So when she was weeping and she was hungry also, because after weeping we felt hunger also. Suddenly what happens? She saw a little bird hopping into her room. Hopping means uchalna kudna. She wiped her tears and sat up. Now Princess September had a hope again. She wiped her tears. उसने अपने आंसू पोंछे and sat up, और वो उठकर बैठ गई. Then the bird began to sing and he sang a beautiful song all about the lake in the king's garden and the willow trees that looked at themselves in the still water and the goldfish that glided in out of the branches that were reflected in it. So when Princess September saw that bird, once again she was revived, once again she was out of her sorrow, and after seeing that bird, there was a smile on her face. That bird sang a beautiful song that all about the lake in the king's garden, means whatever was available in the palace, like the garden of the king, the trees, the beautiful lakes, and the goldfish in that lake, and all the branches of the tree, whatever was reflecting, means everything was uh, in a very nice mood after hearing that song of that little bird. When he had finished, the princess was not crying anymore. When the bird finished to sing the song, Princess September was very happy and she was not crying anymore. And she quite forgot that she had had no supper. And even after hearing the song of that little bird, Princess September forgot that she had means had no supper. It means she had not taken food at that time at night. So she forgot about her hunger also after hearing that song of that beautiful bird. That was a very nice song, she said. And the Princess September said that this was a very beautiful song. Now, maids of honor means women attending the princess. Maid of honor means the maids which used to attend Princess September, which used to serve Princess September. Till here, everybody is understood? Tell me once. Anybody tell me, please?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Now come to the next page, page number 36. Now see page number 36. The little bird gave her a bow. Bow means झुकना, झुककर अभिवादन करना. The little bird gave her a bow means that little bird also presented her bow means अपना अभिवादन उसने Princess September को दिया. Would you care to have me in place of your parrot? Said the little bird. The little bird put an offer before the Princess September and she said, and the bird said, would you care to have me in place of your parrot? It means क्या आप अपने parrot की जगह मुझे रखना पसंद करेंगी? Said the little bird. Little bird ने कहा, it is true that I am not so pretty to look at. And the bird also said that it is true that I am not so pretty to look at, कि मैं देखने में भले अच्छी ना हूं, but on the other hand I have a much better voice. लेकिन मेरी वॉइस क्वालिटी, मैं गाती बहुत अच्छा हूं, मेरा सॉन्ग बहुत अच्छा है. My voice is very better. Princess September clapped her hands. Clapped means ताली बजाना. Princess September clapped her hands with joy, with delight. And then the little bird hopped on to the end of her bed and sang her to sleep. When Princess September clapped after hearing the sound, after hearing the song of the little bird, and after hearing the proposal of the little bird that if you want to have me instead of your parrot, you can. So hearing this proposal, Princess September was very happy and she clapped with joy. And this little bird came on the bed of the Princess September and she once again started a beautiful song to sleep the Princess September. Now next paragraph, paragraph number next. When she awoke next day, the little bird was still there. When Princess September awoke next day, awoke means jagna, awake, awoke, awaken. When Princess September awoke next day, she found that the little bird was still there. It means little bird was presented at that time in the palace. And as she opened her eyes, he said, good morning. And as it means the bird was male because here it is written he said, उसने कहा. So when Princess September woke up, the little bird said good morning to her. The maids of honor brought in her breakfast. Those who were the maids of Princess September, they brought the breakfast for the Princess September because the previous night she had not eaten anything due to the order of queen, and that order was only for that night. In the morning, all the maids of Princess September brought breakfast for her, and he ate rice out of her hand, and he had his bath in her saucer. He ate rice out of her hand. It means here the bird was fed by the Princess September lovingly, and he had his bath in her saucer. And she and the bird also taken bath in her saucer. He began to sing again so beautifully that the maids of honor were quite surprised. Once again, the little bird started to sing, and after hearing the nice voice of that little bird, the maids of honor means those who were the maid servants of the Princess September, they were much surprised to hear such a beautiful voice. For they had never heard anything like it, because the maids of honor in her life never heard such type of beautiful voice. And Princess September was very proud and happy. Now the Princess September forgot about her sadness, and she was very happy with the new little bird, and she was very proud of on that bird also. Till here, everybody is clear? Till here,
Yes, sir.
clear to everyone? Okay, now
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
come
Yes,
to
sir.
next. Okay, now come to
Yes,
next
sir.
paragraph. Come to next paragraph. Now I want to show you to my 8 sisters, said the princess. Now Princess September said to the little bird that now I would like to show you to my other sisters, to my other 8 sisters who are younger, who are elder than me, elder to me, sorry. She stretched out the first finger of her right hand so that it served as a perch, and the little bird flew down and sat on it. September just stretched out one of her finger so that on that finger, and she could move with the Princess September, and the Princess September could so easily to the other sisters, and she could tell about that new bird to the other sisters. Then, followed by her maids of honor, she went through the palace and called on each of the princes. So, Princess September, the maids of honor means those who were the maids of Princess September were following means just coming back behind the Princess September because she was one of the princess, and the princess had some personal servants, personal maid servants. So they went through the palace and called on each of the princes. Princess September went to each of her sister one by one, and for each of them, the little bird sang a different song. And the little bird uh, sang a different song for every sister, means different song for every sister. Means 8 times. See, Princess September had 8 daughters, including Princess September. Total 9 daughters were there. So beautiful bird sang every time for all the sisters, and he sang different songs to different sisters. But the parrots could say only save God. But the parrots could only say God save the king and Pretty Polly. At last he showed the little bird to the king and the queen. They were surprised and delighted. Here, Princess September tells that the gift which was given by the king, the parrot used to say only God save the king and Pretty Polly, only 2 words. And now this bird can sing very beautiful songs. So after showing that bird to her sisters, she went to king and queen to show this bird to them. And the king and queen were also very surprised and delighted to see such kind of beautiful bird and listening its sound, its voice. I know I was right to send you to bed without any supper, said the queen. Now the queen said that I knew I was right to send you to bed without any supper, said the queen. The queen said the punishment which I gave you on that day, uh, I was right to give this punishment. If I didn't have given such kind of punishment to you, maybe you didn't get such kind of beautiful birds. The bird sings much better than the parrot, said the king. The king replied that this bird sings very beautifully, and this bird is much better than the parrot. I should have thought you got quite tired of hearing people say, God save the king, said the queen. I can't think why those girls wanted to teach their parrots to say it too. So here the queen said that I should have thought you got quite tired of hearing people say God save the king. Queen said to the king means that you will have been bored by listening this sentence, God save the king, God save the king. Many times you listened this sentence, so I think you will have been bored. I can't think why those girls wanted to teach their parrot to sow it too. And the queen said, I don't know why each of the daughter was only teaching those parrots to the same sentence. The sentiment is admirable, said the king, and I never mind how often I hear it. The king said that it is admirable for the appreciation, for the admiration. They will have taught such kind of sentence to the parrot, and I never mind how often I hear it. And the king said, I never mind that how many times I listened this same sentence again and again. But I do get tired of hearing those parrots say pretty Polly. But the king said that I was tired of hearing those parrots pretty Polly. Means pretty Polly, the king used to say about the pretty Polly, the parrots used to say about the queen, and God save the king, the parrots used to say about the king. Pretty Polly about queen, and God save the king about queen. Sorry, king. So they say it in 7 different languages, said the princess. The princess said that the parrots used to speak in 7 different languages, so I think it is not a matter of being bored. I dare this do so, said the king, but it reminds me too much of my counselors. The king replied that I dare say they do. Means the king said about the parrots that uh, I dare, sorry, I dare say they do. But it reminds me too much of my counselors. Counselors means salakar, darbari. So here the king said that my counselors reminds me too much of my counselors means about the sentence of the parrot. They say the same thing in 7 different ways and it never means anything in any way. They say it. He said that the parrots used to say that word God save the king and pretty Polly in 7 different languages and it never means anything in any way they say it. And whatever they say that does not means anything. Now see some word meanings. Here perch, perch means place where a bird sits or rests. I dare say means I agree, I accept. Here say, I dare say they do, said the king, means I accept it is true, said the king. But it reminds me too much of my counselors. And he said that it reminds me too much of my counselors, मेरे means मेरे जो दरबारी हैं, उनके बारे में मुझे कई बार ये याद दिलाता है. So now come to the page number 37. Here see in the picture, Princess September is having the bird on her finger and she is showing her bird to the king and queen. And the king and queen are most delighted and they are just commenting on that bird that in the comparison of the parrots, this bird is more beautiful. So see the next paragraph. It is very lengthy chapter. I think here it is finished. So come to the next paragraph. The princess were vexed at this. Okay, sorry. In my mobile phone, only 2% battery is there. So I will continue this part in the next video from page number 37. So in this video, I have
Okay.
discussed till page number 36. In next part, I will discuss from 37 to the end. Okay. So
Okay, sir.
you can leave now, and this video will be available on my YouTube channel. There you can watch
Okay,
full
Okay,
sir.
sir.
video
Okay, sir.
and you can revise. And whenever I upload any video, please like, subscribe, and write some positive statements so that
Right.
I could be motivated.